Hello friends, welcome back to my Annapurni Food Express. Today we take another tasty recipe, red Spanish stick curry. It is a pure vegetarian recipe. That means I made this recipe without onion and garlic. So please watch this video till end. Also, if you new this channel, please subscribe my channel. You can try this recipe at lunchtime with rice. Also, if you want any vegetarian food like this, please subscribe my channel. Please see this video till end. Let's go and see how it is made. For making the recipe, first we peel the outer side of the red Spanish stick. Then we chop the potato like this. You can see. Now I boiled this Spanish stick and the potato and fried it. Now I take a pan and give some oil. Now I give the boiled potato. After that I will give some salt and turmeric powder. Now I fried the potato in medium flame till it become golden brown. Friends, you can see our potato boiled very nicely. Now I will put it down on a plate. On same oil, now I will give the boiled Spanish stick and now I give some salt and turmeric powder. Now I will fry it in medium flame till it become golden brown. You can see it fried very nicely. Now I will put it down. On same oil, now I will give one bay leaves and one dry chili and white cumin. Now I will give some ginger paste and green chili paste here. After giving the ginger paste and green chili paste, now I will give the chopped tomato and some salt and turmeric powder. After that I will give some Kashmiri red mirchi powder. Now I will mix all the ingredients very nicely and fried it little more. Now I will give the fried potato and Spanish stick into it. Now I mix all the ingredients with the tomato very nicely. Now I will give some water according our taste how much juicy you want to eat. After giving the water, now I will mix the water with the ingredients very nicely. After that I will give the garam masala into it and mix the masala with the water very nicely and boil it for few minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, you can see our sabji is ready to serve. Now I will serve it on a plate. So friends, our today's recipe potato and red Spanish stick curry is ready to serve. It looks so delicious, isn't it? Please try this recipe at your home and comments me how tasty it is. Also like and share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. See you.